Hey everyone, thinking about going solar? Well, you're not alone. Solar panels are becoming super popular in the UK, and for good reasons. They help you save on energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and even increase your home's value. But let's be honest, the initial cost can be a bit daunting. So how can you save big on solar panel installation? Let's dive into some top strategies. First up, tax credits and incentives. The UK government offers various schemes to make solar more affordable. Check out the Smart Export Guarantee, where you can earn money by selling unused electricity back to the grid. Next, financing options. You don't have to pay everything up front. Look into solar loans, leasing programs, or even power purchase agreements. These can spread the cost over time and often come with low interest rates. Now, one of the most crucial steps, choosing the right installer. Not all installers are created equal. Make sure to get multiple quotes and check reviews. Accredited installers might cost a bit more, but they often provide better service and long-term support. Lastly, consider the timing. Installation costs can vary throughout the year. Some companies offer discounts during off-peak seasons, so do a bit of research before committing. And there you have it. A few simple strategies to save big on your solar panel installation in the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out my next video on more energy-saving tips for your home. Thanks for watching.